Having a different taste in significant others than your friend is great, but also horrible at the same time. It's great because you never fight over the same person. Every girl that I've ever liked, I never had to worry about my friend swooping in and stealing her, and he could have because he actually talks to women. But anyways, the reason it's horrible is because whenever I would like a girl, I would tell my friend about it and I would be like, bro, I think this girl is my soulmate. She's the prettiest person I've ever seen. And then he would be like, what do you like so much about her? And I would just be like, well, I like her style, I like her personality, I like her smile. But then he would just say something so absurd back to me. He would be like, bro, the girl you like looks like a character from a movie that got bit by a zombie, but is trying to hide it from the rest of the group. Literally a crazy comment like that. And then now every time I'm around this girl, I'm questioning if she's gonna try to bite me and turn me into a zombie too. Like, you just ruined it, man. The people he likes look like their worst fear is vitamin D, but I don't say that to his face. I get it, everyone has their type, but I think we just gotta stop talking about relationships to each other. So if you have a different type than your friend, don't talk to each other about it.